Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today I'm going to do an installation and unboxing of the GPEL tempered glass for your iPhone XS Max. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have the tempered glass from GPEL for your iPhone XS Max. This will be my first tempered glass because I had a order canceled out on me. That was my original tempered glass. Shout out to Caseology for that. So here's the case itself from GPEL. Now if you guys have this for the Note 9, I wasn't really feeling those because they popped off on me. Okay, so here's what you get inside the box. You do have your installation kits, and you get 2 tempered glass, and it looks like it's the all-screen one, so you will get that border, but you're probably going to have some issues with cases because it might actually lift it off. So let's see if they did it perfectly to where it has enough room on there. So okay, so let's just start the installation here. So we're going to get the alcohol prep pad, and you're just going to clean off your screen pretty much. Clean it off. Alright, so you're going to get your microfiber cleaning cloth, and you're going to do it here. So I always suggest to always turn off the screen, but I always forget. So it looks like I have a scratch there, so don't really need it now. But if you don't need more scratches, then definitely put this on. So just place this down. So here's where you get the stickers, and you just got to find all the little dust and stuff that the microfiber cleaning cloth probably was the one that put it on, but that's another story. So it's a full adhesive, so just slowly take that out, and I would go by the earpiece if I was you. See if I could zoom that in a little bit. Go by the earpiece and drop down. Make sure it's as center as possible, and just tap the middle. We're going to see it work as magic. There you go. And if you want to make this process faster, I will definitely get the microfiber cleaning cloth and just go down slowly around it. Alright, so that's about it, guys. I do have a little bit of bubbles there. It is pretty good, and it looks like it will actually stay on. Let's see how it looks with the case. This is the Caseology wavelength. Alright. It's not lifting up at all. Alright guys, so that's about it for the video. Big shout out to GPEL for actually sending this out to me. It looks pretty good, and I could definitely recommend it, and it's working well with the cases, and the screen feels pretty good as well. So if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of GPEL products and more tech to come. So to the next video, guys. Peace. Pretty good.